Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have CRO daily update. We are going to see two charts, CRO against Bitcoin and CRO against USDT. Before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto or BuyMeACoffee/MindYourCrypto. Patreon has the PayPal option as well, so I do recommend the Patreon. What you will get is an automated system with 200 altcoins. You will know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell. Also, you will get personal guidance, educational videos to become expert in technical analysis, a manual system with over 90% win ratio, and many other benefits. So join us and of course, join our Telegram group chat. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's proceed quickly into CRO against Bitcoin charts. That right now we have some support levels for CRO. The first one is the 0.3040 1165. We have one more, the previous support level that we closed above, you can see back on 4 December, which is the 0.401138. And in case we lose this for the short term, we have one more, the 0.401112, which is very likely to stop around this area. And of course have around here a buying pressure if we go down. Okay, so therefore we should be extremely careful. Right now you can see that the CRO against Bitcoin is in an overbought with a stochastic RSI. Usually when we have an overbought situation with a stochastic RSI and the price is going down, that means that the altcoin doesn't have the strength needed to move even higher. So we should be careful. You can see when the stochastic RSI is in an overbought, sits in an overbought situation, we have to be careful, and we are seeing these corrections right there because that means that the altcoin does not have the strength needed to move even higher. On the weekly frame, you can see why I was telling you that we have an extreme high risk, because we had the RSI in an overbought situation, extreme overbought, actually even above the 80. Okay, and when we have the RSI above the 80, that means that we have an extreme overbought. Sorry, did I say oversold before? I'm sorry if I did. Overbought situation. Too many buyers have stepped in, so sellers will soon come in. Okay, so you have to be careful because on the weekly frame for CRO against Bitcoin chart, we still have a very high risk and you should be careful. Okay, but I think around this area we will have a swing high for the short term. Let's go on to the CRO against USDT on the short term as well. The best part here is that we found huge buying pressure on the 1.618 Fibonacci extension. You can see we went even down to the 35 cents, 36 cents, and from there we had an extreme buying pressure and we closed above this line. The body of the candlestick is above this line right here. Okay, you can see that the 0.5380. So we have the body of the candlestick, we had the morning star pattern right here, eventually went a little bit upwards, but right now we are going again downwards. Okay, if we go down from the 53 cents, then we are going to find one major support level, which it will be the 51 cents. Okay, we have one more, the 51 cents, and a very strong support level as well will be the 47 cents. So in case we go a little bit further down, we have the 50 cents, the 47 cents, and the 53 cents. Okay, 53 to 54 cents. So eventually you should be careful right now. If you want some more support levels, then we can draw a Fibonacci retracement from this bottom right here up to the top we are right now. And you can see that we have the first one at the 55, in which we might be finding a small buying pressure at the 0.55. But anyway, I want you to be careful on the 4-hour frame because we had a very low risk right here, but it is very important to know that we can get a pattern like this. Okay, and this is a bearish pattern on the RSI. That means that we are getting a swing high, but it is not enough to go even higher, and now we're getting back below the 30s again. That means that we might be losing the support level of the 53.80 cents and stop at the 50 to 51 cents. Around there will be the next support level in which we will retest. Okay, so be careful for CRO against USDT. We can see on the weekly frame that we have a very high risk as well. Now we are down into near 70s, and that's why I was telling you back then, please be careful. Okay, you never know what's going going to happen, because we might be having a bearish RSI divergence and we get saved, but also we might be having a further crash, a sudden crash towards the downwards, and we go just below the 70 in no time for the RSI. If you remember, I was telling you that, and now you can see that CRO is sitting at the 57 cents. And if you remember, we were saying back then that the 57 to 58 cents would be a best buying entry. Right now it is not, due to the flash crash that Bitcoin had. Okay, and it pushed many altcoins further down. For the time being, I want you to trade safely. Do not FOMO into one price all your money. Do not buy, and of course pay attention to the 50 cents and the 47 cents for CRO. Okay, it is very possible that we have a bearish pattern. You can see the stochastic RSI is in an overbought and it shows a little bit of weakness. Right now we are not even on the 20-day MA. It shows a little bit of weakness right here. You can see that we are going down, even though we do not have any overbought situation with the other risk metrics except the stochastic RSI, and now almost the Fisher transform. Okay, so pay attention to the 50 and the 47. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto or BuyMeCoffee/MindYourCrypto. You decide whatever you want. Okay, and of course, thank you. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.